the world's first functional Bitcoin watch. It's the Encrypto from Frank Muller. Let me show you. Right here, look, it has your own QR code on the watch. Guess how much money is linked to this QR code? This will scan the QR code and tell you how much money is currently on this Bitcoin account. Ready? $17 million is currently on this Bitcoin account. That is crazy. Oh my God. Instead of having your QR code just on a piece of paper, you're gonna have it here on the watch. Now, the crazier thing, you guys, is this. Look at what's in this little pocket here. This is a private key where your $17 million is actually stored. Look at this. This is a one-time USB stick that you need to break into to access your money. If I threw this onto the F1 track, it'd be gone. 17 million bucks gone. That is. Guys, you can have the watch back now. Done.